First flight for homemade quad. Are you controlling that? It's going fast. Go again. Is it easy to control? Is it balanced?
So this was my very first attempt at building a drone of some sort. The frame is what I like to call an H frame because it is shaped like an H. So for the entire build of this drone, I basically used Propeller sticks, as you can see, and just a hot glue stick. I didn't use any type of screws because one, I wanted to save weight, and two, I thought that hot glue could do a more than a good job to hold a quad together. For the motors, I simply drilled through the sticks and then bolted it on the other side. I then used zip ties to hold my ESCs down, and I am using a KK2 Flightcontroller. All the electronics I use will also be in the description below. As you can see, there's a little space on the front of the drone. This is to maybe hopefully in the future put some type of FPV gear or put a camera on there. So one major problem I had with this build was not only was it quite heavy, but the motor shaft that came with the motors wasn't sturdy enough, and when I connected the propeller to the motor, I simply put on a hex nut to hold the prop in place. And when the drone starts coming down from a height, the updraft from the air resistance puts a lot of pressure on the prop, which causes it to pull on the hex nut, and then it came off.
They just snapped. One propeller is okay, 3 propellers broke.
So then I decided to put some Loctite on these hex nuts, and everything seemed to work out great.
Can you go higher this time? Away from the tree. Whoa.
Whoa. Dad.
Get it back here. Careful.
No, Dad.
Idhar lana.
No. Oh my God.
All was going well until a gusty wind came along.
Watch out.
What are you doing?
No, it broke.
Okay, it's broken now. We'll have to get new frame, new wood. Maybe we can glue it, we'll see. That's it for now.
Ernie, stand back. Are you recording?
Uh-huh.
Ernie, stand back.